Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nidzoa. In today's video we're gonna see how to make a masking tape out of a sellotape. So let's get started. Now I already have a paper of 15 by 15 centimeters. I've tried to tape in directly to a white paper with a sellotape. Now I'm trying to peel it off. Now you can see that it is sometimes very difficult to peel off this kind of sellotape. Now to make it easier like a masking tape, what we can do is we can have a rough surface like this. I have stuck a sellotape already, and what we can do is we can just tape it in again and again so that the gummy stuff sticks into the surface and not onto the sellotape, and it becomes easy to peel off these kind of surfaces. So n number of times, how much ever you want to do that, you can do. And now let's try this. We have our paper. I'm just taping it right here, and see, it is very easy to peel off as compared to the sellotape. So this is what I intended to tell you all. So on this, when you paint, your corners will be protected. So thanks for watching.